Hello everyone. Today let's take a trip back 34 years to 1984 when the only compact pickup that Ford had was the Mazda-based Ford Courier pickup based on the B-Series. In 1983, Ford introduced their first ever in-house designed and built pickup and named it the Ranger. Over the 29-year lifespan, the truck would be based on the same basic architecture over 3 generations. Despite the fact that it came a year after the Chevrolet S10, the Ranger would go on to be the best-selling compact pickup in the U.S. from 1987 to 2004. This Ranger is the XLT trim level and features a deluxe two-tone paint treatment in dark canyon red with polar white. Interior is a dark red cloth contoured bench seat. This truck is rear-wheel drive and is powered by the Cologne-designed 60-degree 2.8-liter 171 cubic inch displacement overhead valve pushrod carbureted V6 engine. Phew, that's a lot. It creates 115 horsepower at 4,600 RPM, 150 pound-feet of torque at 2,600 RPM. This Ranger features a 4,380 pound gross vehicle weight rating with a 2,544 pound curb weight. It can handle a 1,760 pound payload capacity and an estimated 2,000 pound towing capacity. Unfortunately, it is difficult to obtain accurate information online regarding such figures. The Ranger features a 15.2 gallon fuel tank and consumes approximately 5.6 gallons of fuel per 100 miles driven. EPA economy estimates are 16 miles per gallon city, 21 miles per gallon highway, and a combined rating of 18 miles per gallon. The transmission on this truck is a 3-speed C5 automatic with a lockup torque converter. The owner of this truck actually has a sock over the handle because it is broken, however the transmission shifts perfectly fine. The Ranger was produced at the Louisville Assembly Plant in Louisville, Kentucky, with production starting around January 18, 1982, and hitting showrooms in March for the 1983 model year. The 1984 model year was essentially a carryover model, aside from special trims such as the XLS and more enhanced marketing to help broaden its appeal. The owner of this truck has maintained this vehicle ever since it was brand new. He bought it brand new. He was kind enough to allow me to review this truck and to take it out for a quick look. As you can see along the profile of this truck, it is in very, very nice shape. The body panels are in great shape. There's no dings or dents. There is some minor scratching, but it is an older truck. Steering on this truck is hydraulically assisted rack and pinion. Wheels are 14-inch argent painted styled steel wheels with two 1570 R14 tires. Brakes are power-assisted front disc brakes and have featured rear drum brakes. There is no ABS or any other kind of assist features on this truck. Tires on this truck are actually in very, very nice shape. Actually, the whole truck is in good shape. Ford subjected the Ranger bodies in extensive wind tunnel testing to ensure they would meet the target fuel efficiency. To help further fuel economy figures, Ford used high-strength steel in critical areas, yet utilized lightweight magnesium in the brake and clutch pedal brackets, aluminum transfer case housings on four-wheel drive models, and computer-designed front suspension system. That negated the need for a front stabilizer bar. Around the front of the Ranger, it features a small F-150 style body with the egg crate grille and the offset Ford logo, lower turn indicators, and sealed beam headlamps. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. As you can see from the sticker, this vehicle is for sale. I'm not sure if the owner has sold it yet, but as you can see from the interior, it is very nice and it is very great condition. There are no rips or tears, and the truck looks almost like new. Typical of trucks of this era, there is no powered windows, no power door locks, or no power mirrors. It does have carpeted side panels, floor mats. It also has an adjustable bench seat for fore and aft. There are no backrest adjust. Your headlamp control with brightness. You have your wiper controls and your turn signal controls. Also, pressing the button or pressing the stalk does the horn. It is also a tilt steering column. Front seat on the outboard seats feature 3-point seat belts with a lap belt in the middle. It does feature a sliding rear window. Alright, let's pan through the interior and show more details. As you can see, the power-assisted steering is nice and reactive. The lower portion of the spokes do feature the optional cruise control, and here's a tilt wheel. The lever is off to the right. As stated before, you do have your cruise controls on and off on the left. You've also got your resume, set, accelerate, and coast buttons on the right. Instrumentation doesn't feature a tachometer, but does feature full auxiliary gauges, including fuel, temperature, amps, and oil. You have assorted warning lamps and an 85 mile per hour speedometer. Wood accents harvested from the plastic forest. As you can see, the dash top is very clean. There's no cracks, fades, rips, or tears. This truck is equipped with air conditioning. It also features an AM/FM radio. Air conditioning controls below, and the air conditioning does work. Very simple and easy to use controls. Right down below, you do have your cigar lighter. And you've also got a fold-out ashtray. Floor-mounted automatic transmission selector lever. Manually dimming rearview mirror. And this truck also features the overhead computer with date and time. You've also got a map lamp that is actually like a fixed mounted flash lamp. It works pretty well and it is swivelable. The headliner does sag, unfortunately, but that's 34 years of glue. The bed on this truck is a 6-foot double-walled welded steel box and features a drop-in plastic bed liner. Though narrower than the F-150, the Ranger was designed to be able to transport a 4-foot wide sheet of material. By utilizing small recesses in the wheelhouse and the bed sides, the driver was able to lay across supports for a level surface. Box dimensions are 72.2 inches total length with 16.5 inches of depth and 54.3 maximum width inches. The total cargo volume is 37.4 cubic feet, not including allowances for the wheelhouses. And that does conclude this trip back in time and this review of this 1984 Ford Ranger XLT. We hope you enjoyed the review, and if you like this video and would like to see more like that, comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. As always, thanks for watching.